Hi everyone and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Messenger account. To start, open your Messenger application in your mobile device. Once in Messenger, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left, then click on the gear icon. In here, scroll down. Then tap on Account Settings under Accounts. Then wait for Messenger to finish loading. Once the website loads, in here you will see a lot of options. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then in here you will see an option that says Deactivation and Deletion. Now tap on Continue to Facebook Account Deactivation and Deletion. Or you could also click on Deactivating Messenger. Then in here tap on Deactivate Account and Continue to Account Deactivation. All you have to do this time is to input your password and then click on Continue. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.